Hello there, Hallmark here. I made a great discovery completely by mistake. So I ordered a weed eater leaf blower combo from Black & Decker. First of all, because it was cheap, and second of all, because my drill and jigsaw and a couple other little power tools that I have are that brand, so the battery compatibility was a big factor. Well, the weed eater completely sucks. Terrible weed eater, but the leaf blower that came with it has been a great thing for cleaning out the shop, and I'm going to show you. So this is it, guys, the Black & Decker leaf blower. Now, it doesn't look like much because, well, honestly, it's not much. Yeah, it's just a very cheap, low-powered leaf blower. But I think that's great because, wow, what a great deal for the shop. I've used leaf blowers like the one that my dad has, for example, that's a backpack style, that's gasoline powered, and that thing will blow the paint off a car. But that's really too much, I think, for this little shop. This little guy works so perfect. Let me show you. So long story short, my daughter left the broom outside and my wife ran it over. So I still needed to use it, but it was flopping because of this bend right here. So I took some wood and zip tied it to it, and I've been using that for the last 6 months. But I'm so sick of dealing with this thing, and you never do get all the little tiny dust off the floor, but with this leaf blower, you sure do. So I've got this door on the back of my shop because this was a garden shed, so it was mainly used for like lawnmowers and stuff. So I've got this big door that I can open up, and then using the leaf blower, I can just blow it right out the back door. And another cool thing with this leaf blower is that if I've got dust on my tools and stuff, now I know you're probably sitting there thinking, John, that's not a big deal. Why are you even making this video? Well, guys, it's a big deal for me because not only did I get my air conditioner this month, which has dropped the temperature out here by 10 or 15 degrees and helped level out the humidity, but now I have a cool leaf blower that I can like blow off all my dust and stuff and all my tools. This is just fantastic. The shop has been cleaner over the last week. It's been cooler, and I've been able to get out here a lot more. So the next thing on the agenda, as you know from watching, is insulating the ceiling, finishing up the walls, and making this truly a workshop that I can be proud of. So guys, if you're tired of using a broom and you want to get you a little low-powered, battery-powered, simple to use and easy to mess with leaf blower, I would actually go for the Black & Decker. It's very cheap. I think I got the weed eater and the leaf blower for like maybe 150 bucks, I guess. And even though the weed eater sucks, I still use it, but it's just not good. It takes longer and, you know, all that. So that's not ideal. But this thing was well worth it. Well, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you hit like and make sure you hit subscribe also so you can keep up with all the stuff we're doing on the channel. And actually, this Saturday, I'm planning my first live stream, so make sure you tune into that, where I'm going to try to take on the subject of power tools versus hand tools. So I'm sure the comment section will be a bloodbath, and I'm sure you'll enjoy watching the chaos. Have a good day. I'm going to try to Kurt Cobain this thing.